guys, welcome back to Sabby C, and today we are making an invitation. This invitation is super simple and so fun to do. You can use it as a wedding invitation, a birthday party invitation, an anniversary party invitation, or just a card for someone special. We start with our baseboard, and that is 250 GSM cardstock. And next we would need our mirror board and glitter board. And that is followed by a smaller mirror board and information that goes on the front of the invitation, and that includes the bride and groom and the date. You would also need the mirror board for the inside and the invitation information. And lastly, you need your ribbon. Your ribbon can be any color you prefer. You don't have to use the mirror board. I have used solid colored boards in other invitations that I have made, and they come up beautiful. And if glitter is not your thing, you can swap it out with textured paper, embossed paper, pattern paper. The list is endless. The beauty of making your own invitation is that you can personalize it to your liking, and it is all that more special. If you would like table numbers, place cards, menus, seating plans that look the same as this invitation, you can find them on my channel, or you can click the link below. I post tutorials every week, so don't miss out. And if you find value in my videos, please hit the subscribe button. It's free. Hit the bell and give me a thumbs up. The beauty to subscribing to my channel is that you get a notification every time I upload a new tutorial, and I upload every week. And at the end of the video, you will get more pictures of next week's tutorial. Guys, if you enjoy my channel, please subscribe. It's free. Give me a thumbs up and hit the bell. That way you don't miss out on any future posts.